What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today in this video, we're going to just dive into flex mode, I'm gonna show you a complete guide to Dex mode and how to use it and what apps you can use it on and so on and so on. So first, let's go into my calculator. So as you can see, this is the regular calculator app. This is what the app would look like, but if you turn it, then you will get it in this mode. You can use it like this, but the trick is that you can use this calculator in flex mode. So all you need to do is just bend your device, and just like that, you have your calculator to where you can just type in everything you need on your calculator in flex mode. And then you have some buttons here that you can use. So pretty much you have your history, you have a ruler, and then you have to where you can flip your calculator. But this is calculator in Dex mode, and this looks really nice. Makes it look like you have a mini computer sitting in front of you. So now we're gonna go into another app, which let's do the calendar. So pretty much once you get into the calendar, this is what you have. Then you can turn your phone and then hit that flex mode, and then you're able to have your calendar up here and have access to write things on your calendar at the bottom, and that is really nice. Then over here you get access to other little buttons, so you can have it to be showing all the years in the months, or you can just have it show the month, or you can have it show that it's January, 1 week January, or you could have it just showing Saturday, that today is Sunday, and then you get your notification, then you get your trash can. But I'm gonna go back to the month. So that was the calendar. Now we're gonna jump over and go into gallery. And once you're in gallery, so this is your gallery here, and then you could turn it in landscape mode. But the key is to throw that flex mode up just like that, and pretty much this is what it'll look like when you're in flex mode. It'll put the picture up here, and then you have your trackpad up here, a trackpad down here to slide through different pictures on your device. This makes it so much easier, just sliding with Dex mode, with it in Dex mode. And then down here you get all your little settings. You get a heart, you get your edit button, you get your share button, you get your trash can, so on and so on. So that has been the gallery app. Now we're going to take it over to the phone app. I just want to show you this real quick. So pretty much this is your phone app in landscape mode. But if you turn it, no, this is your phone app in vertical mode. But if you turn it to landscape mode and then hit that flex mode, this is what you would get. So you're able to type in numbers here, numbers will come up here, and the names will come up here, and then you get access to your delete button, your phone button, video calls, and your voicemail. So that has been the phone app in flex mode. You can also use this with your YouTube. So this is YouTube on the Zfold3, and this flex mode is allowed to use on the foldable devices and your flip devices that Samsung carries at the moment. So here is YouTube. All you want to do is turn it, hit that flex mode, click on the video. What's up, kids? And you get everything down here, and then you get your video playing up there, and then you have separate access to typing in your comments right here. That is very, very, very cool. That is why I love flex mode on the phone, on this Zfold3, because it's so fun to use and you can do different things with it. So now I want to show you that you can also use flex mode in portrait in your portrait mode video. So say your device was in portrait mode, all you'd have to do is hit that flex mode, and just like that, you have your photos in flex mode. So you could be in it, hold on, so you could take a picture and your picture will pop up over here on this side while you are trying to take another picture of something else on your right, and then the photo will be on your left. So then you can use your video, then you can go to your more section and you just have portrait. You have so many things you can do. So it puts the picture that you take, on one side of the screen, and you have your photo on the other side of the screen. That is very cool. So now you may be asking, how do I get access to all of these features, and how do I plug in all of my apps to do these features? So I'm going to show you that right now. So pretty much all you want to do is just go to your settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll until you get to advanced features. Once you're in advanced features, then you want to come over here to labs. Once you're in labs, you want to scroll all the way down, then you want to go to flex mode panel, and right here are some of the apps that you can already use with flex mode that are available to you. So right now I could use the Amazon app in flex mode if I wanted to. I can use a call Protect. I can use Canva. I can use CapCut, Chrome, and I'm gonna get to that in a minute. I can use Cinema HD Video. I can use Contacts. So pretty much you can just come through here and click on the apps that you would like to have access to on flex mode, and the ones you don't want to have access to with flex mode, you do not have to check them. But right now, these are the only apps that you are allowed to have access to. Hopefully Samsung will bring over some more apps as time goes on. These are just some of the ones you have access to right now, but it's already a lot of them. As you can see, the more apps you download, they'll probably have access to them. So now for the final thing, I want to show you how to, here's Chrome right here. So if you go to your Chrome, and if you pop up flex mode, nothing will happen. That's because Chrome is not checked. But if you want to have your Chrome on flex mode, all you need to do is just go to your settings app and just go back to your advanced features and just go to your labs, and then come down to flex mode panel, and then just scroll down to where it says Chrome. You just want to check that. Once you do that, all you need to do is go back to the app and then hit that flex mode stand, and just like that, you have flex mode. So it puts the page up here, so you can scroll up here, and down here you get different access to things. So this is where you can bring down your notification panel. Then you take a screenshot. You can brighten up your screen just right here. Then you get your volume, and then you can use the bottom of the screen as a touchpad to surf the web using Chrome with flex mode. So pretty much, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, give me a like. Even if you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about flex mode, and if you use flex mode, and if you enjoy using flex mode. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.